Hello, Dragonfly enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of the What's New series. My name is Jana, and today I'll be showing you our most recent model, which is the classification model. Since it's also complementary, I will be also showing you the instance labeler. You might ask, why do I need a classification model? Well, you need to classify your objects into several classes. For example, if you want to categorize your bumps into defective and non-defective, well, the classification model is a perfect example for that. First of all, we have to provide our ground truth, which is basically the reference of the model. Now, first, we have to segment the bumps, and I will simply do it with a threshold, then a fill inner areas to have all the bumps. Then, after that, I will use connected components to separate the bumps. We're gonna clean up a little bit, and now our first step is done. After that, we select the multi-arrow eye and the data together, and you right-click on them to activate or select the instance labeler. After that, you will have a separate window that will open. This will show you the four planes, including the 3D view. Now, in my case, I'm categorizing into bumps that have voids and the bumps that do not have voids. Hence, I will create a slot and I will call it availability of voids. After that, I know that I only want two classes, voids and no voids, so I will type that down. When this is done, you will see the list and the colors of my classes. It's pretty intuitive and easy to use. It will show you every bump separately once you select on the arrow of next. And then after that, you select whether you want it to pass or fail. So basically, if you want your bump, if you check if your bump has voids or not, you simply select the color and it will join it or add it to the class. Once you finish all your bumps, you save your multi-arrow eye that will serve as ground truth. Once your multi-arrow eye is saved, you select the Artificial Intelligence option, then you click on Custom Architectures, and you select the classification model. Now you can see a dialog that will pop up, and then you have to create a new model. You fix the parameters, and it's very simple because it's very similar to the classic workflow in Dragonfly. After that, you enter your input, which is your data, and your output, which is your multi-arrow eye that we refer to as our ground truth. And now you simply start training your model. The training dialog will appear once you start training, and you can wait until your model converges. Now, when it finishes training, you can apply it in a special way, which is from the window itself. You select your input and click on Apply. And now, you will have a multi-arrow eye that classifies your bumps into ones with voids or no voids. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for new videos.